G'day everybody and welcome to another monthly market wrap. This market wrap obviously for July. We are well and truly into August now. Look, July was extremely busy with office sales, a total number of 42 sales, which is huge. My team, Team Cole, we put 27 properties under offer. So an absolutely massive month. Surprising because there is no stock. That seems to be the big issue at the moment is we have a lot of buyers and very little properties for sale. So everything we're bringing to market will have 4 to 6 offers on the property, driving that price up and creating a premium price point. We have a number of things that we do to leverage this or to create that competition, really strong marketing, pushing everyone to home opens rather than private inspections so they can physically see their competition, which then that fear of missing out, people will pay more, but the market is full of buyers at the moment and we cannot get enough stock. I am constantly contacting our database. If you have been thinking about selling or you've tried to sell previously and couldn't get the price point you want, now might be the time to look at it. What is happening in the marketplace outside of very, very strong buyer activity is rent prices. So rent prices are still very strong, but we are seeing some of the corporates just start to slow down. They're not as desperate for those rents. They're not throwing around those really high $1,400, $1,500 a week rents as regularly. That could just be a temporary thing, but we do find if that does start to slow down, then the open market will start to pay a little bit less and we can just see those rents back off a little bit, which then will in turn affect our sale prices as well because the return on investment isn't there anymore for investors. It might mean nothing. It could just be a bit of a slowdown where there isn't as much demand, but interesting, keep an eye on that one. Outside of that, we have very little land available, very strong demand. So we did just recently, I released 10 blocks of land for Roebuck Estate. We had buyers lining up at the front door at 2:30 in the morning to secure one of those. We opened our doors at 8:30, they were all sold by 9. So still very strong demand out there, very little for sale. I will hit you with a couple of very quick stats that the team provide us with here, which is really interesting to see. So the buyer inquiries that we received for the month of July was 415 buyer inquiries for our clients' properties, with the market average being 50. So massive. This is down to how we market the properties and the sheer volume of the properties we have, which then means a very large buyer pool for our clients. We did sell 17 properties settled in July. 42 went under offer, but 17 settled, the market average being 6. Reviews, so we had 6 reviews last month. The market average was 4. To be honest, that is actually a bit lower than we normally have. There is normally a huge margin there, but I think with 27 sales in the team, we just haven't had time to follow up with some of the clients and ask for those reviews. So that will be something that no doubt we'll see track into next month. The market median sale price is $730,000. We are currently at $750,000. We are seeing that majority of the properties we're bringing to market, we will do with that offers above method because it's impossible to know what the market will pay at the moment. We can give them a guide, but that competition will push the price up. So 20,000 high there, but I'm finding 10 to 40,000 over asking price tends to be where we're landing at the moment. And our average days on market for July were 26 days, with the median average being 42. Now that is probably slightly skewed as well because a number of our properties are selling off market, whereby we have so many buyers looking, we're able to create that competition between the buyers that have missed out on the previous property without even going to market. All right, I'm going to leave it there, guys. I have waffled for long enough, but as always, if you do have any real estate questions, and I know I say this regularly, it doesn't have to be in Broome. I'm more than happy to help out. If you have a contract question in Perth, if you're an owner in Broome and you're looking to buy outside of Broome and you just want advice on how to negotiate that, if you'd like me to represent you, I will do it for free. I'm more than happy to do so. Give me a call anytime. Thanks very much.